is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Daniel 5.7, and today I got myself a diffuser. Check it out. I got my boy rolling up right now with this Integra. Oh, VIP parking. You're good. So I got myself diffuser on eBay. Got myself with that coupon. Came in handy. I'm installing it on these bad boy. So I'm not gonna be doing the installation video because I know there's already a lot of videos out there how to install. It's pretty easy. There's like 4 screws that holds down there and like the tabs, and then you just yank it and that should be it. So without further ado, let's install this part and then I'll show you how it looks at the end. Let's go. Oh, pizza. Check it out, man. I got myself a new toy.
Oh, sick. I want a new toy.
Damn, that's gonna be dope, bro. It's gonna go in the bottom.
Yeah, we're doing this today?
Yeah, right now. All right. And then your shit is gonna go under. Boom! Put this pizza down and let's install this bad boy. Yeah, bro. Just came in today.
Sick.
Got myself the email saying that it came in, so I was like, ooh, I can't wait till I get home and install this bitch. It's pretty forward, bro. Simple. Just 4 screws and that's it.
Wow. Easy.
Just give me like 5 minutes. I was coming through or not?
I don't know. I didn't call him.
Oh, you didn't call him?
Nah. Should have called him?
If you want. He's probably hanging out with his girl from Los Angeles.
Possibly. But now he just got home, breaking in his bed.
Yeah. Boom, simple as that. You just got 4 screws. You yank and you pull, and that should be it. Even though I didn't say I was gonna show you guys how to install it, but oh well.
You're gonna learn today.
Gonna learn today.
Like, they're little ones, but they made them big, you know? Oh, shit.
Yep, that's how it's supposed to sound like. Easy to turn. You yank. Bam.
Sick, dude. Can't wait until
Hell yeah, look at that. Out with the old,
in with the new.
in with the new.
Hold on. Need a better grip.
Better not fuck on my knee. There you go. Alright guys, that is it. It took me quite a while to install it. Took me like at least 30 minutes to install it. Now let's just see when the rattle comes up. Let's see if it don't shake a lot or comes out. There's the old one and the new one. Oh yeah, let's go. It's pizza time, baby. Alright, so what are we doing? Hood spacers? Yeah. What are these pieces of shit? Why? What do you want to put these? Look, it says the right position for the win. Oof. You got a little saw.
This is how I'm gonna get Michael.
Oh. Dirties.
And one of these is gonna pop out.
Oh. He's gonna get a blood vessel.
I don't think you need. Oh, you bought them new, huh?
Yeah.
Well, put them.
I'd rather put the new ones.
Yeah.
You're already halfway there, dude. Go.
Alright guys, that is going to be it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to get updated on my built Charger RT Hemi. Follow me on Instagram. You'll see the more details there. See you guys later.